The private sector continues to lend a helping hand to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Here's an example. Here in Gauteng, a multi-million rand project has been signed between the automobile manufacturer BMW and the provincial government. Reporter Nqobile Madlala is at the event. Nqobile, good afternoon to you. So what exactly does the project entail?
Afternoon, Jeremy. Basically, from where we stand, BMW has just pledged 76 million worth of donation. But just to get the details, I'm joined here by the MEC of Health, Dr. Bandile Masuku. Will you explain to us the very details of what exactly is being donated today?
It's going to be the construction of almost 750 beds, both in George Mukhari and Jubilee Hospital. Including what we are going to be doing also in Bronkhorstspruit Actual Hospital. So this is the work that will be done mainly in the northern part of Gauteng, and it also going to increase our capacity in terms of testing, particularly for our hospitalized and healthcare workers in that regard.
We do understand that there are also masks that are being donated as well as PPEs. Would you explain to us what's happening there?
Yes, we had actually already received almost 40,000 of N95 masks that are actually produced in Munich, and we are waiting for 80,000 more. And it's a continuous process, like we've said before, that PPE, we will never get enough of it. We'll continuously procure and receive from different actually organizations and governments. And this is the PPE and the donation that we receive on behalf of our healthcare workers who are by and large in the front line and facing this actual virus.
We understand that the numbers are climbing in Johannesburg. What does this mean for Gauteng in general?
The numbers are actually climbing. It means that we are going now through up the steep, and it is an expected climb. The only aspect that we need to be clear on is that we need to complete most of the construction that we have put into place so that when we get to the peak, the system doesn't collapse and we don't have a problem of losing lives because we don't have any available beds or intervention that we can put into place.
Talking about beds, we know that you said the end game is 15,000 beds. How far are we there?
We are around close to just close below 10,000, and by the end of this month, which is June, we will be actually at 10,000. But we are building up the whole out of capacity. The 15,000 might not be enough, but we are now putting up field hospitals in different parts of the province, in Tshwane, in Johannesburg, and in Ekurhuleni.
Thank you very much, MEC. Just the MEC of Health, they're explaining to us the number of beds that they're working towards, and also the donation that has been put forward by the BM Group, which is amounting to 76 million. And also, just to give you a clear picture, they did also speak to our Minister, Zweli Mkhize, who was on a conference call where we saw the ambassador of BMW just communicate exactly what the group is trying to do, just talking about the fact that it's very important at this time to work together, saying that it's time for solidarity, and this is their way of showing it to South Africa.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Nqobile Madlala, thank you. Now the